Right, bit of a mid to late week update for you. We've got Aquarius Platinum here. Um, we went short at 60 pence because I know we got in a little bit too late. We've got this unfilled gap, we've got the head and shoulders, etc. I've joined in this channel. We've had quite a few touches of it, as you can see. So I think that's at the moment we can confirm that it's had enough touches. Back test when we got above it. Also, this red candle here is a bit of a giveaway. Whenever you break a support, you normally get quite a long red candle. So if you see a random long legged candle like that, always look to see if there's a reason why. Again, with the yellow, I don't know what colour this is. This is green, isn't it? It's not yellow, it's green. It's been a long day. We've had a few touches, and maybe we could hit around 50. That would certainly fill that gap. And then maybe we could bounce off of resistance. This is quite a sturdy support. I mentioned this in the last video, that horizontal green line. Um, if the price does get down there, then we will be huge buyers, absolutely huge. Um, Guessing at the moment where that's going to bounce is, as I say, it's a guess. We don't really know. But the downside is expected to continue. This is why. This is the weekly chart for Aquarius Platinum. If you actually look at these indicators, they are awful. We've potentially come up to some sort of resistance, but the indicators tell us, I mean, they're all pointing down, they're all looking bearish. This is hugely oversold, overbought at the moment, really overheated. So that means basically that the price should come down. I do lessons on these, on indicators, how I trade them, how I use them, etc., etc., on our one-to-one lessons. I will be more awake for them as I am not tonight. Right, Coal of Africa, quick update because we've charted this to death, but we're actually calling it very well. Got below the green horizontal line today. We had a close below it, as you can see here. Held it for a couple of days, had resistance and support in the past. We held it for a couple of days and we've actually had a close below it now. Things are looking bearish for Coal of Africa. You can see the times it's sort of held resistance. Today just couldn't do it. Something had to give because of that resistance line. It got below. We may trickle down resistance. We may just hit that support line, descending support. The support of 14 pence should be fairly, it's certainly enough to, if we get there, which I think we will, certainly enough to give us a bounce. All the time we are underneath that red line, we are bearish. As things stand, again, we could dribble down the line, we could tank tomorrow. I don't really know. This can't really tell us. Anything that we say will happen tomorrow is educated speculation at best. But what we do know is we closed below that support line today. There's nothing in here that I can see that looks bullish. We also fell out of a bear flag today. We had a close below. So that is a continuation pattern. You could probably get a little projection off of this. We haven't done that yet, but that's something we will do before tomorrow morning when the market opens. It'll probably give you around 16 pence, something like that. Doesn't mean it's going to happen tomorrow. There's a little saying that we use when we teach people: repetitive patterns repeat. If you keep getting the same pattern, there's a good chance it will repeat itself. And the results are that the market's going lower. There's nothing here at the moment. All the time it stays below that red line, there's nothing to say that we should be buying. The moment it gets above and closes above that red line, we should be looking to go long and buy. But as things stand, we're still bearish on Coal of Africa and targeting 16.